Hi, this is Rob Pecoraro with the Washington Post. In today's review, I'm going to use one device to show off another. Here I'm using the video camera on Apple's new iPod Nano to show off some of the features in Microsoft's new Zune HD. Now, first about this video camera, as you may have noticed a second ago, it's quite easy to put a finger right in front of the lens. Not the best placement ever. The video quality, well, you can see it for yourself. It compares pretty well with camera phones. It's not exactly going to make anyone retire their regular camcorder. Now, onto the Zune. As you can see, it's a device not too dissimilar from an iPod Touch, but in this case, the screen is really something else. It's called an organic light emitting diode screen, which does allow for some really great, it's very vivid, bright, full of contrast, not so good in direct sunlight. Everything on it is touch driven. There's even no actual physical volume control. There's this little button on the side you press, and you can raise and lower it. Getting there and back in the interface can be a tad confusing sometimes. Here we have the web browser. I don't actually remember what page I took this to last time. As you can see, it is pretty slow to work. Oh, in this case, it's not working at all. Let's get over to the biggest advertised feature of this, which is its HD radio. In this case, let's see. This is a bookmark to WAMU's HD2 channel, a digital-only channel, which plays a little bit of bluegrass. Let's see if you can bring it up over the headphones. And as you can see, sometimes it has just show information on the screen, which means I can't actually tag the song for later purchase. Sometimes it has the actual title. So that's the Zune, as you can see, very slim, very sharp. The parts of it I don't like are more the Zune Marketplace, which I think is a bit of a mess. Finer things of the finer points of the interface, like the fact that there's no physical volume button, which actually is a mistake Apple made on its first implementation of the iPod Touch. As for the iPod Nano, aside from the video camera, which needs some work, pretty good piece of work, I'd say. The FM radio works well. It has a tagging feature of its own, and I really like the live pause option, where you can, in essence, create an instant podcast up to 15 minutes long of any radio broadcast just by caching it to the iPod's flash memory. So with that, that's a little more detail about this week's review. Hope you enjoyed this little clip. Thanks.